Hello world. Let's continue. Before we study, let's have a think about a question. Notice all computers run and x64. Sometimes we had used many programs compiled and linked and Win32. So we should have 32 better program and 64 better program in the same computer. Unfortunately, some corporation discard 32 better program. Now let's go back. ipconfig use some function that cannot support 32 better. This function used to change time date to string. Even though this function can also be called by Visual Studio C, or in another word, can be compiled and linked in 32 better operating system. We can rewrite source code for ourselves. Oh my god, let's continue. Edit. "20 lines with else structure." ipconfig is very large for us. These lessons we will not finish it. If p adapter point to DHCP enable curly bracket message quotation \t DHCP enable colon yes \r \n semicolon message quotation \t DHCP space server colon space \t %s \r \n comma p adapter point to DHCP server period LP address period string semicolon message quotation \t. Lease obtained colon semicolon error equals. We will study error underline t did tap. Underline local time 32 underline is. Pay attention, this function is a special function supported by Visual Studio 2020, not support Visual C 6.0. We have a function local time, but we cannot use local time in some area. In future lessons, you will study it. Even though we can use it in our source code in general, but we cannot use it in some special areas. What special areas you can study in future? Let's go on. Ampersand new time, comma, underline time 32 underline T asterisk ampersand P adapter point 2 list obtained semicolon if error. Pay attention, error is error underline T did tap curly bracket message quotation. Invalid argument to local time to underline local time 32 underline S backslash R backslash N semicolon curly bracket else. Curly bracket error equals ASC time underline S. This function is also supported by Visual Studio 2020, not supported by Visual C. Visual C is support ASC time buffer, comma 32, comma ampersand new time semicolon. In the future lessons, to display time is seemed some difficult. If error curly bracket message quotation invalid argument to ASC time underline AS backslash R backslash N semicolon. You know, these two functions seemed very average, but You must pay attention for them. Curly bracket, else curly bracket. Message quotation percent s, comma, buffer. Buffer means the time or local time. Curly bracket, curly bracket. Three lines. There are some lines we will study in next lessons because your work is very hard, so you must work it for a long time. Be carefully and alignment your source code. Message quotation \r \n \t space lease expires colon semicolon. Expires means die. Error equals underline local time 32 underline s ampersand new time comma underline time 32 underline t ampersand. You can copy and paste ampersand p adapter point 2 this expires semicolon if error. Pay attention. If you edit your source code, you cannot use Microsoft Assistant, so you can open another IDE to edit the source code. Then, if you finish, you can select it, copy and paste here. Because our source code is not in original IDE. Curly bracket message quotation invalid argument to local time underline local time underline s \n semicolon. You can copy and paste because we have written these lines. Curly bracket else. So much for today's lessons. In your editing source code, you must use tab to align. Your program cannot be rebuilt. You can rebuild your program backup or another lessons. You can study the source code we have studied. In God we trust. Ladies and gentlemen, see you later.